This is a tutorial for a Romanian cord. We're going to want to keep our tension loose, and I will show you why here in just a moment. So start with a loose slip knot and a chain 2. For the first stitch, we're going to work into the first chain or the second chain from the hook and make 1 single crochet. Next, we're going to rotate our work away from us, and you should see 1 side loop right here. On this first stitch, and only on this first stitch, we will work into that 1 loop. So place your hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through just that first loop, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Now from here on out, we will work into 2 side loops. So rotate the work away from you, pick up both of these side loops, and work a single crochet, turn work away from you, pick up both side loops, work a single crochet, rotate your work away from you, pick up both side loops, and make a single crochet. These side loops can get tight if you don't keep your tension loose, and it gets tough to pick them up. So right here, this one is pretty tough to pick up. If that happens, you can use a tapestry needle or your fingers to loosen it up a bit. And just remember to keep your tension loose going forward. So rotate away from you, pick up both loops, and work a single crochet. And you're going to repeat this for as long as you need to make your cord. This is what it should look like. It's the same on each side. It's a nice thick cord that has a little bit of stretch to it, but it's going to make the perfect belt for my project. So just remember, rotate the work away from you, pick up 2 loops, work a single crochet, rotate away from you, pick up 2 loops, work a single crochet, and try to keep your tension loose throughout each stitch.